What is up, guys and girls? I hope that you're doing well. I wanted to take the time first to congratulate you and welcome you to this course. It's not the most passionate subject in the world because it's research. Who likes to do research? I mean, unless you are a big fan of doing research, especially in crypto, that's good for you. But if you're just here to make money, it's going to be complicated. That's why I'm taking the time to show you the potential gains that you can potentially make in the bull market if you time yourself well and accurately. I'm not telling you here that you can time the market, but I'm telling you that this is an opportunity. We are in a bear market, prices are very low, and as you can see here, I am in CoinMarketCap, which is a website where you can see the prices of tons and tons of crypto assets. So without further ado, let's go and let's just see some examples of coins and tokens that will possibly, or that had a nice bull run in the previous bull run back in 2021, I believe, before COVID. Then COVID came in and then everything crashed and everything, well, was on a discount. There was a lot of crises, a lot of events that caused the crypto to crash even further. The FTX saga, Three Arrows Capital, Celsius, Voyager, you name it. A lot of things happened in the past couple of years that took crypto to the bottoms of prices. So I'm going to show you here some examples of cryptos that really took off in the previous bull run after they were basically on a discount, just like right now. So, for example, let's just take some famous ones, such as, well, here we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, but let's just see, for example, Phantom. This is the chart. You got your daily, your 7 days, weekly, monthly, yearly, and all the time. Imagine if you discovered Phantom during this time when it was worth 0.7 cents, 3 cents, 1 cent, etc. And you bought it, you actually did your due diligence, your research, and everything. So you made sure that Phantom has actually potential to make very, very serious gains in the future. You put down your money and you waited from October 2020, which is the value that you can see here, the time of purchase, 3 cents or 1 cent or whatever, and you managed to sell in, well, October 2021. That's basically 1 year. So from 1 cent or 2 cents to $2 or $2.50, $2.5. That's 100 times your money. Who can 100x his money in 1 year? Crypto actually opens the door up to you to make those kind of gains. A lot of people will tell me, hey, you know, Salah, Phantom was one of the biggest gainers back in the last bull run. Yes, it is. But guess what? Also, there was a lot of people who invested in Phantom, who have done their research and their due diligence. Basically, those people have followed the roadmap, or they knew what the project is about, they knew the team, and they trusted the potential of this project, but based on facts rather than just feelings about the crypto or hope. There's no place for hope in this course, just to be clear. So to avoid the fact that one of you will tell me, hey, you are biased, fan, you chose the only gainer or one of the best gainers back in the last bull run, I'm gonna pick one example here that probably is very, very unknown and that I never was conscious about back in the day. So let's just say we are here in the top 100. So let's just go to page 3. Let's just take Edgecoin. Is this a stable coin? I see it's worth $1. I think it is a stable coin. Yeah, this looks like a stable coin. So no. Stable coins are basically coins that follow the value of the dollar. Gains network. Okay, this sounds like this sounds like a shit coin. Gains network. Wow. Wow, what a chart. Basically, this is one of the bottomest bottoms. Back in May, June 2022, the war on Ukraine and a bunch of other crises that took place. 8 cents, 7 cents, $1. Here it was worth $8. That's 8 times the money. In 1 year, roughly, July 2022 until February 2023. This is less than a year, actually. And you can actually manage to 8x your money from a coin that's called the Gains Network. I'm not gonna trust this coin just by name, but yet you could have made 8 times your money, which is not something that you can do every day. Well, let's just see another one. Basically, if you take pretty much every coin, you could have made gains with it because everything costs more in the bull run. Let's just take, for example, Can Nation, whatever that is. Just what is this? Explain this to me. Explain this to me. This one probably existed since 2018. Here, 2023, April. What in the gains, man? What in the gains? 0.1 cent, and now it's $42. Well, you're gonna tell me, hey, there is probably some liquidity problems and whatnot. Let's just look at the volume. Yeah, the volume is pretty bad. But yet, it is ranked in the top 300. Where are you, Can Nation? Yeah, the top 250. This is really crazy. Telcoin, I've heard of this one, so I'm not gonna... Nano. Alright, let's just see Nano. Oh, see? It's always the same thing. $0.7, and here, $9. Basically, 10x your money. Easy. Because here it was $10. Imagine you sold at $9 or $8. You could have made a lot of money in just a short span of time. So you can see that there's a lot of gains to be made. But let me just tell you, one disclaimer. Most of these coins are not going to make it. Most of these coins are going to be forgotten by their developers. The developers are going to take the money with them, and they will leave you with a bunch of worthless tokens. That's why I'm showing you in this course how to do due diligence on the team, how to know if they are actually active in terms of development, in terms of marketing. Are they doing marketing for their coin or their services? Are they actually building something, building a use case for their coin or their network or their blockchain or whatever they want to come up with, or their smart contract? Basically, a lot of gains are to be made. Status. One last example, status. Just because I like the name of it. Just look. This is bear run and here is a bull run. Basically a lot of potential. You just have to do the research. Like literally you can click on any coin and you see one peak value that came after a ridiculous bottom. 2 cents to 20 cents. This is basically free money. 10x your money in less than 6 months, from August to April. So basically I'm not gonna stay here for long because we've already been 8 minutes into this video. Well, actually more, because this is the second part that I'm recording here. So basically, you get the idea. There's a lot of money to be made. You just have to know what to do. You just have to do the research properly. So I hope you guys gathered some momentum in terms of motivation, so you can actually follow what's next. And in the next lesson, I'm going to show you some categories so I can introduce you to the different categories that are in the crypto universe. So I'll see you there in the next lesson. Take care.